We've just finished our grade 8 latest design project, which was creating a mini golf course to be used as a house competition here at Science City. So we had our grade 8 students join in teams of 3 and 4, and then they were tasked with making a hole for the mini golf course. We spent 2 weeks on researching, then using all that research to write a design brief, like a research paper. After students have done that, we move on to the next 2 weeks of the process, which is designing. This is where they create all their ideas. So we gave students 8 weeks to make the holes. That would be 3 lessons per week in design. But before they start, we make sure that they're prepared and organized, so they make themselves a weekly planner. They plan out exactly what they're going to be doing day by day on the project, so that they're making full use of all the time available. Then once we finished making them, we held the mini golf festival, the house competition, and the final part of the design cycle process was then analyzing the results and seeing, did people like playing their golf course? Was it successful? Did anything break when people were hitting the golf ball really hard? Was it possible in one shot, or did it take 20 shots to finish a hole? So these are all the reflections that we like to do at the end of a unit. I was really impressed by their creativity throughout the project. I think it shows great teamwork amongst our students and their ability to problem solve.